Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to enable and utilize the new Stripe Finance automation features. If you are looking to streamline your financial operations, this guide is for you. First, log into your Stripe account and navigate your dashboard. From here, you will be able to access the new finance automation features. Go to the Settings menu and look for the Finance Automation section. Toggle the feature on to enable automation. This will allow Stripe to automatically handle routine financial tasks such as invoice reconciliation and payment scheduling. So once enabled, you will need to set up the automation rules. You can do this by selecting specific criteria for different tasks. For example, you might automate invoice reminders or set up automatic payouts based on the predefined results. Now that automation is configured, you can start using it in your daily operations. Stripe will automatically handle the tasks according to the rules you have set, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. And that is how you enable and utilize the new Stripe Finance automation features. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.